time I couldn't let things go, trying to hold the world together with my hands. If something slipped outside my vision, I would panic, lose balance, always thinking 10 steps forward, never standing where I was. Till one day I got so tired of fighting things I couldn't touch. Let it flow, like the mess after hard days. Some things leave, some things stay. Nothing ever stays the same. Let it flow, you don't gotta force the road. Some things only time will show, places you don't even know. I watch people come and disappear, watch plans fade without a sound. At first it felt like losing pieces, now it feels like growing out. Maybe life ain't something fixed, maybe it moves the way it should. Maybe every wrong direction still can lead you somewhere good. Now I spend more time listening to my thoughts late at night. Funny how the smallest moments sometimes make your spirit light. Let it flow, like memories from before. You can't hold on to everything, that's not what living's for. Oh, let it flow, don't carry what you can't change. Some things never really change, guess tomorrow gonna change. I spent years trying to understand why some things never stay. Now I see not every ending was something to be afraid of. Some doors close softly for a reason. Some people leave the ones they love. These days I move a little lighter, I stop stressing over every day. I stopped asking life for answers in every little thing that changed. And if my mind gets heavy again, if I lose sight for a while, I just watch the ocean move until everything slows down inside. Let it flow, like the river to the sea. What is meant to stay beside you will arrive naturally. Oh, I let it flow. Some things here with space and time. Life goes on and so does mine. Maybe neither should my mind.